Hello everybody. So today I'm going to teach you how to make an ornithopter like this. Now this one, it does use space thrusters in the inside to give it an extra bit of speed, but the flapping does actually like propel it forward quite a bit. So yeah, let's get into it. So firstly I'm going to get the go-kart seat, as it is the lightest, and then I recommend building out the frame, as it's kind of give you a rough idea of how big you want it to be. I'm going to do 4 blocks long, so that's quite reasonable. And then grab yourself a rotating servo and place it just behind the seat like this, and same on the other side, like that. and then grab a steering hinge and place it vertical like this. This gives it the forward momentum, and I'm just gonna give it 20 strength. And then grab a seal. I'm just gonna use the small modular triangle. Wait, no, the small rectangle one. I'm just gonna pop it there, and then just copy this steering hinge and put it in between this and the triangle seal at the end here, like wait, oh, I can't place it. There you go, like this, and then just copy that to the other side. Oh dear, like that. Yeah. And then grab yourself a small tail fin and place it, oh my, and place it on the back like this. Oh, and actually put it out like this, and grab yourself another steering hinge and pop it here. Oh, actually these are touching, so we don't want that. I'm just gonna move it back a bit and get a tube. Oh wait, wrong one. Boop, and oh, boop. There we go. So that'll be pitch and roll, which I don't think you need yaw, but you definitely do need tail fin. So I'm just gonna use another seal and just place it there, like that. Why are these not connected? Oh, yeah, right. I'm just gonna use an aerodynamic piece to connect the servo to the seat, like that. There we go. Let's make sure everything kind of works. Oh no, that's not good. Okay, I had to reverse the speed in this. I'm gonna put it to 2 as well. Like this. This should be better. Yep. No way! Alright, so it should work like this. But obviously, just going back and forth with your controls, it's not good. Holy moly, this is fast. Holy moly macaroni. Yeah, so this is where logic comes in. So just get yourself a couple XOR gates and just hook them up to the 2 servos and put an R2, put a duration of, I'll do 25 and a pause of 25, and then get another OR gate, put the output to negative and delay up to 25, like that. So this should work now. Oh yeah, that's much better. Yeah. Alright, so now we need to work the controls out for the pitch and stuff. Oh, and also remove the controls for this. Yeah. Alright, so far so good. So remove the controls on these, because don't want that. Oh, whoops. Oh my. Like that. And then all the hinges. Need no more controls. Like that. Alright, so pitch up, it's gonna be that, I think. Yeah. Okay, that's pitch. And then get yourself, get yourself 2 more orgets for the roll. And just remove all the delays and stuff. Just add controls like this. Okay, so remove that and remove it from the servos. And then this, I'm wondering if these need to be inverted around. Oh, wait, I don't think this got triggered. Yeah. Oh wait. Okay, wait. I think this one should not be triggering this, and this one should not be triggering this, right? That's not right. It's doing pitch whenever I want to roll. I think I need to invert one of these. Oh yeah. Let's see if this works. Oh dear. Yeah, we might need we might need more roll stabilization. It kind of flipped over there. I'm just gonna add a I'm gonna replace the seals with an actual tail fin. Probably should have done that from the start. I'll put some powered ones, just because they're nice and simple. Alright, there we go. Oh man. What? Why? Why is it doing that? Well, I think the pitch is working, and the roll. Let me just add a bit more aerodynamic. Why is it like doing that? It shouldn't be though, right? This hasn't not happened before. Look, it's like, why? Maybe the strength is a bit too low. Oh wait, I need to do this. Put up the strength a bit. Do 35. This. I mean, it's better. It's just so unstable. More tail fins. Oh! It was that simple? Okay, the roll is not the best. The pitch is good. Oh, the pitch is really good, actually. Well, this is fast. 120 mile an hour. Oh, that's downhill. That's really fast, actually. We need to figure out this roll, though. It's not really working. I might. Yeah, I'm gonna remove the steering. Oh yeah, the steering help's not gonna be very helpful. And I'm also gonna up the speed, which should help a bit, and also the angle. Oh, I think 80 might be a bit much. I'll do 39. Okay, so that goes. That looks good. Alright, let's take off. Oh. Alright, there we go. Oh, wow, it glides really well. Right, roll. Not rolling. Why not roll? Wait, that kind of worked. It kind of works, it's really bad though. I might just add a gyro, to be honest. Yeah, I'm just gonna add a gyro. Just because it's simple, you know. Why won't let me move it down? Oh, there we go. Okay, just fill this in. Alright. It should be better now. Oh no, it's wobbling again. Oh, better now. And it's tilting the wrong way. Alright, need to fix that. Also probably up the strength as well. Okay, green is that way. Yeah, it seems right. I'll do 4.5. And then I think these are also reversed. Wait, these. Do 1 here. And then -1 there. This should be better. Oh, why is it? Oh, like I have to repair to stop it from wobbling. Oh yeah, that's much better. Alright, so there's your Ornithopter. Hope you enjoyed. And make sure to like and subscribe. Bye bye!